Sony is back at it again, and this time, it looks like they're about to change the game for mirrorless shooters once more. Leaks are pouring in about the upcoming Sony A7V, and trust me, this one's going to be huge. From a rumored new 33-megapixel stacked sensor, to an upgraded Bion's XR Plus processor, AI-powered autofocus, and even 6K oversampled 4K video recording, this camera is shaping up to be one of the most powerful full-frame hybrids Sony has ever made. And that's not all. We're talking global shutter rumors, a redesigned body, better cooling, and an official release window that could be closer than you think. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. So in today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Sony A7V, from its sensor details and leaked specs to the potential release date and pricing. If you're a creator, filmmaker, or pro photographer, this is one camera you'll definitely want to watch. Let's dive straight into the leaks, because the Sony A7V might just redefine what we expect from a mirrorless camera in 2025. The mirrorless camera world is buzzing once again, and this time, all the noise is about Sony's upcoming A7V, a camera that's shaping up to be one of the most anticipated full-frame releases in recent memory. If you thought the A7 IV was the perfect hybrid mirrorless camera, think again, because the Sony A7V is rumored to push the boundaries of what creators can expect in terms of performance, image quality, and next-generation AI technology. Based on recent insider leaks and production chain reports, it looks like Sony is preparing to redefine the standard for mirrorless cameras in 2025. So, in this video, we're going deep into every single detail, from sensor specifications and processor architecture to release date expectations, pricing, and what this camera could mean for Sony's mirrorless ecosystem moving forward. Let's start with what's arguably the most exciting part, the sensor. According to trusted industry sources, the Sony A7V will feature an all-new 33-megapixel backside illuminated XMR CMOS sensor, but this time, with stacked architecture similar to what we've seen in the A1 and A9 III. That means lightning-fast readout speeds, near-zero rolling shutter, and dramatically improved performance in high-speed burst photography. While the A7 IV already impressed with its resolution and dynamic range, the A7V is expected to deliver up to 15 stops of dynamic range, improved low-light sensitivity, and better color accuracy thanks to its enhanced circuitry and improved sensor microlens design. The rumor mill even suggests that Sony is experimenting with global shutter implementation for the A7V, something that could completely eliminate rolling shutter distortion for both video and stills. While that might sound ambitious for a camera in this price range, Sony has a track record of trickling down flagship tech, and if it happens, it could change everything for hybrid shooters. Now, when it comes to processing power, the A7V is said to introduce the new Bion's XR Plus processor, an upgraded version of the same chip found in the A7RV and ZV-E1. The new processor architecture reportedly allows for 2 times faster image processing, better heat management, and improved AI subject recognition. Sony's deep learning autofocus engine, which was already one of the best in the world, is now rumored to include enhanced human body tracking, animal IAF, bird recognition, and even vehicle detection for motorsport photography. Imagine shooting at 20 frames per second with full AF and AE tracking. That's the level of power Sony seems to be targeting here. In terms of video capabilities, this is where things get really interesting. The A7V is expected to record 6.2K oversampled 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second internally, with 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth and S-Cinetone support built in. There are whispers that Sony may finally bring 4K 120 frames per second to the A7 lineup without the need for heavy cropping, a move that would make it a true competitor to the Canon R6 Mark II and Panasonic S5 II. Add in improved rolling shutter performance, real-time LUT preview, and enhanced color science derived from the Venice Cinema line, and you've got a hybrid camera that can truly handle both professional filmmaking and serious photography. But Sony isn't stopping at just resolution and frame rates. The company is rumored to have completely redesigned the cooling system for the A7V, using a new internal heat dissipation plate similar to the one found in the FX3. This means longer recording times without overheating, something users of the A7 IV occasionally struggled with during extended 4K shoots. Combine that with a new battery efficiency mode powered by firmware optimization, and you can expect up to 720 shots per charge, a big step up from the previous generation. Let's talk about design and ergonomics, because Sony seems to be refining what's already one of the most compact and comfortable full-frame camera bodies out there. Early leaked renders suggest that the A7V will feature a slightly deeper grip, an improved top plate layout, and a tilting flip LCD hybrid design, giving users the best of both worlds for vlogging, photography, and cinematic video work. The EVF is also getting a serious upgrade. We're talking about a 9.44 million OLED electronic viewfinder, the same one used in the A7RV, offering crisp clarity and zero lag, even during high-speed bursts or video recording. The rear LCD is expected to be a 3.2-inch, 2.1 million touchscreen with improved color accuracy and daylight visibility, perfect for outdoor shooting. Another big leap is the port setup. The A7V reportedly includes dual CF Express Type A and SD UHS-2 card slots, full-size HDMI output, USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, and a dedicated headphone and microphone jack, making it one of the most versatile mirrorless cameras for both studio and fieldwork. Sony also plans to add AI-enhanced image stabilization that combines 5-axis IBIS with Euro-based sensor analysis, promising up to 8 stops of compensation. That's a huge deal for handheld shooting, especially for vloggers or run-and-gun filmmakers who don't want to rely on a gimbal all the time. Now, let's dive into software and user experience, areas where Sony has made significant strides in recent years. The A7V is expected to feature an updated Sony Imaging Edge UI, with faster menu navigation, improved touch response, and customizable control sets for both photo and video modes. Sony has also worked to integrate AI-based voice tagging, automatic scene optimization, and a smart framing feature that uses real-time AI to adjust composition for social media output. Another key addition could be the new creator mode, allowing users to directly upload and live stream 4K footage to YouTube or Sony Cloud services over Wi-Fi 6. For hybrid creators, this could be a total game changer. Of course, no camera discussion is complete without mentioning connectivity and AI integration. The A7V is rumored to include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and even limited AI co-processing capabilities. Essentially, the camera would learn your shooting behavior over time, refining autofocus response, color balance, and exposure priority based on how you use it. This isn't just smart tech. It's the beginning of AI-driven camera intelligence that evolves with the photographer. Something users of the A7 IV occasionally struggled with during extended 4K shoots. Combine that with a new battery efficiency mode powered by firmware optimization, and you can expect up to 720 shots per charge, a big step up from the previous generation. Let's talk about design and ergonomics, because Sony seems to be refining what's already one of the most compact and comfortable full-frame camera bodies out there. Early leaked renders suggest that the A7V will feature a slightly deeper grip, an improved top plate layout, and a tilting flip LCD hybrid design, giving users the best of both worlds for vlogging, photography, and cinematic video work. The EVF is also getting a serious upgrade. We're talking about a 9.44 million OLED electronic viewfinder, the same one